Hello everybody and welcome to the concept video on direction puzzles. In these types of questions, students are required to analyze the given information pertaining to the movement of persons, vehicles, etc. and find solutions to the given problems. The above figure shows the four main directions N or north, E or east, S or south, and W or west, and the four secondary directions NE or northeast, SE or southeast, SW or southwest, and NW or northwest. It is very important to remember the above directions while solving the problems. One way to remember the directions is to observe the map of India and then identify the states that are located in the respective directions. For example, let us identify the states that are located in the south of India. Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Karnataka are all southern Indian states. Similarly, which states are located in the northeast of India? We see Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur, etc. The following chart indicates the direction in which a person would be moving when he or she takes turn either towards left or towards right from the original direction. North, west, east, east, north, south, west, south, north, south, east, west. If a person was originally moving north, if she takes a left turn, she will be moving towards west, and in case she takes a right turn, she'll be moving towards east. Similarly, if a person was originally moving west, if she takes a left turn, she will be moving towards south, and in case she takes a right turn, she will be moving towards north. Note: always indicate the path joining the initial and final position with a dotted line. This is the shortest distance between the starting and the final position. Consider the distances to be in a straight line. Consider the turn, right or left, as 90-degree turn. Some problems involve movement of persons, vehicles, etc. to several points or places, according to some specified instructions. Necessary care should be taken to properly analyze and understand correctly the direction of movement and the distance between the points or places. Routes or networks connecting different places are given in some of the problems. The connectivity between two places can be either one-way or two-way. If the statement is that there is one-way route from X to Y, then it can be represented as X arrow Y. If the statement says that X and Y are connected by roads on which one can travel in either direction, it can be shown as X either way Y. Suppose the statement indicates that all the projected roads are one way and there is a route from X to Y and also from Y to X, then it can be represented as X arrow Y or X from Y. From X to Y, there is one route. From Y to X, there is another route. Let us see an example. Akshata walks 10 meters facing the early morning sun and goes 10 meters to the right. She then walks 5, 15 and 15 meters, each time turning to her left. How far is she now from her starting point? Options given are 1. 10 meters, 2. 15 meters, 3. 20 meters, 4. 5 meters, 5. None of these. Let us draw a picture to solve it. First sentence says that Akshata walks 10 meters facing early morning sun. As we all know, early morning sun will be on the east side. It implies Akshata walks towards east. Let us take A as the starting point and then she walks 10 meters to east. And let us name that point as B. Now, from B, she goes 10 meters to the right. Let us refer to direction table. We observe that you take a right turn while walking towards east. You will then be walking towards south. This means, after taking the right turn from B, Akshata would be walking towards south. After walking 10 meters towards south, Akshata reaches a new point. Let us mark this point as C. Then she walks 5, 15 and 15 meters respectively, each time turning to her left. From the reference table, we know that if you turn left while walking towards south, you would be walking towards east. So, for the first 5 meters, mark a new point 5 meters to the east of C as D. Similarly, for the next left turn, mark a point 15 meters to the north of D as F. And as she turns left again and walks 15 meters, let us mark the point 15 meters to the west of F as G. So, A is the starting point and G is the final point. We have to find the distance between A and G. Let us draw a perpendicular line from B to line DF. It intersects the line DF at a new point E. Now, DF is equal to 15 meters. DE is equal to CB is equal to 10 meters. Now, EF is equal to DF minus DE is equal to 15 minus 10 is equal to 5 meters. We know AG is equal to EF is equal to 5 meters. So, we got the distance from the starting point A to end point G as 5 meters. So, the correct option is 4 or 5 meters. Hope you all are now familiar with this concept of direction puzzles. See you next time with much more interesting concepts. Thank you.